paintbrush and 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to enhance their diagrams in 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 using freehand drawing for more flexibility and creativity. The paintbrush feature helps users highlight connections, add emphasis, or sketch ideas quickly. To use the paintbrush feature in 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, begin by opening Windows on your computer and making sure your system is ready. Next, open Google Chrome on Windows and wait for the browser to load completely. In the search bar, type 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 and press Enter to find the website. From the search results, go to the 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 website and wait for the page to open. Once it loads, click the Start button to enter the editing workspace. After entering the workspace, add some shapes to create a simple diagram that you can work with. In this tutorial, we will draw a connecting line to demonstrate how the brush tool works. Now, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen where different tools are displayed. From the toolbar, select the Freehand option to activate the paintbrush feature. Once selected, choose the brush color you want to use for drawing. After that, adjust the brush size as needed so it matches your desired thickness. Then, move the cursor to the page or canvas where your shapes are located. Begin drawing by clicking and dragging your cursor to create a line that connects parts of your diagram. You will see the image of a connecting line appear as you draw across the canvas. If you want to add more variation, click the color option again to select another color. Choose the desired color from the palette and continue drawing on the page. You can create more images on the page by repeating the same drawing process with different colors or brush sizes. This helps make your diagram more visually clear and organized. Finally, once you are finished drawing and no longer need the brush tool, click Stop Drawing to exit the freehand mode. After stopping, review your work to ensure all lines and drawings are clear and properly placed. You can make small adjustments if needed by redrawing or adding new strokes. Continue refining your diagram until it looks neat, readable, and visually appealing for your intended purpose or presentation needs.